Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to use Playful Rewards app correctly. Now first you need to download the application on your phone, and a small note, it is not available in all regions, so you need to check if it is available in your region first or not. It's available on both app stores, Google Play Store and iPhone App Store, so it is available for Android and iOS. Now you should go to the home menu, and here you can find some applications or some games that you can actually play in order to earn some coins or earn some money. Now, these coins can be redeemed. When you go to rewards, you can see here that you can redeem it with PayPal cards. And here in my games section, it will show you exactly what are the games that you are using through the application. Now let's choose a game of these two ones right here. Now it shows you here some milestones. First, you need to install the game, and this will give you 0 coins. Then registration, and this will give you 0 coins. And install 2 apps, and this will give you 2,500 coins, and so on. Now, in order to redeem these rewards, you just have to go to rewards, then go and click on this PayPal icon. Then here you have these options. Down below right here is the number of coins needed in order to buy this amount of money or this amount of PayPal card that will give you this amount of money. So this is how actually it works, but I do not highly recommend these applications, but you can try it for the first time and try to use it on a phone that has no personal information of yours. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.